Okay, so we learn how to do our foundation chains, casting on, and then we learn how to do knitting, knit stitch. After that we learn as well how to do purl stitch, and then now we will learn in this how we will binding of our all the stitches. Like we finished our project and now we have to do all the stitches empty from our needles. So this is called binding off. For this, what we need to do, just like you finished your project and now you have all the stitches here, and take first stitch and then insert your hook needle on the second stitch. If you're doing your purl stitch, so you can do like this. If you're doing your knit stitch, so you can do like this. It's totally up to you. You can binding off it like this or like this. So I will show you like this, and then wrap your yarn here and like this. Release your stitch from here. Then take your left hand needle to the first, here our left hand needle, and just go to the right hand needle and take this stitch and bring to like this. Release. So now we have one stitch left only, and just same again, go to the next stitch, wrap your yarn on the needle, right hand needle, and push this and release from here. And then same process, take this left hand needle, insert here just like this, and make sure you just pull this, hold this yarn, so that you have to pull little bit, maybe like this, and just here. And now go to the next stitch, wrap your yarn, push little bit like this, release from here, and then take this left hand needle and insert your needle to here, and then push like little bit from here, your finger, and make sure you hold this yarn and here. And then next stitch, wrap your yarn, knit, and then go to this and hold this yarn and here. Then next stitch like this. Okay, then next okay, so now we finished here. Now we have, and now you can just cut your yarn, and then after cutting your yarn you can just make like this and tighten up. That's it here. And if you see, this is how we just do binding off. Very neat and clean, we bind it off all the stitches. So we prepared one square. We learn how to do your foundation stitches, and then we learn how to do knit stitch, then we'll learn how to do purl stitch, and last how to bind off your all the stitches. So this is the basic stitches. Now we will learn next how you can make different designs. So see you in next video.